Change the world through engineering. In 1999, a huge earthquake hit Turkey. Thousands of buildings collapsed, and many people suffered. But this terrible event changed the life of 13-year-old Manzar Pelivan in a different way. Manzar wanted to help prevent these terrible tragedies in the future. So she decided to become a civil engineer specializing in earthquake safety. Although her teacher said only men could be engineers, she worked hard and achieved her goal. Her inspirational story is just one of many in Dream Big, a film made by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The ASCE Foundation released Dream Big in 2017. It's about the clever ways that civil engineers find solutions to problems people face around the world. We learn about the difficulties engineers have in building some of the most amazing structures in the world, from huge skyscrapers in Dubai to water cleaning projects in Africa. This fascinating film will inspire many young people to consider making a difference by becoming a civil engineer.